Welcome back to Raunix. This is Ved Verma from Raunix Tech Services, and today we are going to discuss about our latest taxi booking application. That application, something similar to Ola, Uber, Rapido, and inDrive. This is our latest version 2025. So, without wasting time, let's start the video. So, here you can see the application is on Flutter, and backend is on PHP Laravel, and website is on Node.js. Here you can see the application. This is the driver application and this is our user application. In this application, you can get some advanced level features like driver based memberships, okay, drivers level based earnings, and reward for particular bookings that can be controlled from the admin panel. And this is how the application look like. You can see the user application with the menu options. The application support dark mode, light modes, and here you can check the personal information, notifications, history, outstation, payments, refer and earn, languages, favorite locations, as well as numbers, chat with us, make complaints, and settings. Here you can see the home page of the application where at the top of the application you can find your current location and you can search your destination here. From here you can choose the vehicle type or the service that you want to go with ride, delivery, rental or out station. Suppose you want to go with ride and you want to choose any of the pickup and drop location, something like this. You can search your desired location and you can choose the available locations like this. Here you can see the available vehicles like mini, bikes and many more. You can control these vehicles and the pricing of the vehicles from the admin panel. You can add or delete these vehicles from the admin panel. Suppose you want to book a ride with mini and just click on ride now. Then it will trigger a notification to nearby drivers and nearby drivers can accept the ride. Here you can see the payment methods like cash, online and wallet. Here you can see the preferences like pet and luggage. And here you can see the available coupons. Okay, if you have any coupons that can work for your ride, then you can apply from here. Also, you can schedule the ride. If you want to book a ride for now or if you want to book a ride for later, then you can schedule from here. So, I'm going to book a ride for now. So, I'm going to click right now and it will shortly trigger a notification in our driver application. Here you can see it's searching nearby drivers and we are getting loud alarm notification in our driver application. So I'm going to slide to accept the ride. Here you can see our ride is successfully accepted. Now I'm going to swipe for arrive. Now we have arrived at the consumer location and here you can see the waiting time is started. So drivers can get amount for the waiting charges and that waiting charges can be controlled from the admin panel. Also, drivers can have a chat or call with the user and user can have a chat or call with the driver. User can also share the ride information with their friends, relatives or any trusted persons. Okay, so I'm going to start the ride. Before we start the ride, we need to enter the OTP and OTP will come in the user application like this. So I'm going to enter the OTP 1124. And here you can see our ride has been started. So now we can complete the ride. Here we can complete the ride. Here you can see we have successfully completed our ride. So if a user want to give any tip to the driver, then they can give a tip from here like this. And tip can be added like this. And tip amount will be reflected here. Here you can see the tip amount is reflected here. Okay. So driver can confirm the payment like this. and after that driver can review for the ride and also user can give a review. So this is how our 2025 version of taxi application works. If you want to start your own application for taxi business like Ola, Uber and Rapido, then you can contact us with it on your screen and we will see you in next video. Thank you.